Number 1.
Looking for an easy way to decorate your space? These lush green boxwood hedge panels offer inexpensive decor options. The taller, 4-layer leaves with clean and smooth stems makes our panels look cleaner and more realistic. Use these panels in a wide range of indoor spaces, such as balcony, living room, office work area, reception desk, and more. These UV-protected panels are also perfect for outdoor decor on a patio, privacy fencing, stage backdrop, and more. Made of new PE, these panels don't smell, come with 3-year warranty, and are certified for safety and UV protection. Order your attractive boxwood hedge panels today.
Number 2. Number 3.
This is the Puppy Potty Replacement Grass Mat by Lubani. This replacement mat is made out of durable materials. When pulled, the grass does not fall out or loosen, and it has a nice, soft, comfortable feel. The mat is simple, convenient, and can be used alternatively. Makes potty training easy. Water penetrates quickly. This mat is designed to allow for easy drainage. Daily cleaning includes pouring warm water. Weekly cleaning, you can just use a garden or hose to remove the excess urine. And then all you have to do is let it dry. This mat can be used indoors, outdoors, and patios. Puppy training made easy.